The first thing you may want to do on Centricity is to figure out exactly how many patients that you've seen. This is important, obviously, in tracking your numbers as a resident. So the way that you do this is by going to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen in Chart Reports and clicking that, and this query box will come up. So what you'll have to do is use this query box here on the top left area of your screen, or use pre-selected queries that you've built in the past and saved. So the way you'll look for your office visits is by putting in Documents, where the responsible provider is, and then this is where you'll type in your name. So you add that, and then you'll change responsible provider to document type is office visit. And then you'll add that. Now you notice that it has and here on the left, which you could change to or, but it would look for either of these. So the quickest and best way to do this is not to hit search, because search would show every single patient that you've seen and their name, but count here on the left will show just the number of visits that you've had overall. Now if you want to go one step further and look at the date that they're done, you would hit Documents and then Clinical Date. And then you can set a query. Let's say you want to check out how many patients you've seen in the past year. You would add that to the list here and then hit count again. So that's basically how you get your numbers as a resident. What you can do once you have recorded your query is save it as a preset, and that's by hitting save. Then you can type in the name of the query that you like. And then you can make sure that only you can see it, everyone can see it, or certain people within your organization can see it. So let's say only I want to see this. Then I'll hit OK. And then in the future I can just find it by scrolling down alphabetically. And you'll see it'll say I have my query here. Now you'll notice a small plus sign on the left. That means only I can see this query.